Well, today we're going to install the fuel delivery system on the 33 hot rod. We're going to start here at the carburetor and work our way backwards. We're going to run a line from the carburetor to the fuel pressure regulator. We're actually waiting on one fitting so that we can hook the gauge up. And then we're going to go hard line from the pressure regulator down the firewall and down the frame to the back of the car where the fuel tank is. And back there we're going to hook up the fuel pump and the fuel filter. So let's get working. Okay, so I fabricated this little metal plate here. This is going to go in the back of the car underneath the fuel tank. It's going to mount on the frame, and that gives us a real convenient place to put the fuel pump and the fuel filter.
No, I'm not saying Gospel. Okay.
Call up all his buddies.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
The fuel system for the 33 hot rod is all complete. We've got everything plumbed from the fuel tank to the fuel filter, through the fuel pump, all the way up here to the pressure regulator, and then into the carburetor. The only thing I really had a problem with was the bending the fuel lines and getting those fed through the frame. That's always a hard part for me, but I got it done. Hey, next we're going to start working on installing the floor. We already got part of that done. We had to do some of that when we put in the exhaust system. But next time we come, we'll be working on that, and hope to see you again. Keep coming back to 33 Hot Rod. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Cheers.